So I actually discovered how you can create a mood board without any hassle using AI. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. This process is swift and it kind of like helps you put your idea down without any hassle of thinking too much or overthinking or guessing. It literally brings out everything you need in writing, and then you can now go ahead to visualize your ideas seamlessly. All you need to do for this method is literally to put in the prompt of your idea. I mean, the prompt that actually explains what your idea is about, and it brings out everything you need to know or everything that this idea entails, and then you can now start visualizing your concept. Now, let's get straight into what this AI tool is going to be. Chat-GPT. So I'm going to be typing out what I want my idea to be, and I kind of like want like an Afrocentric and contemporary design collection mood board, and that's exactly what I'm going to be typing on ChatGPT. You can use whatever prompt that suits well with you, but just make sure that it's related to what you're trying to achieve. And then it brings out the visual elements, the colors, the concepts. Yeah, and then I type it out. Just make sure that your prompt resonates with the idea that you're trying to create. And then it brings out the theme, the concept, the visual elements, the silhouette, the color, the possible fabrics that I would use. And yeah, ChatGPT is the AI tool that I use to do this. Kind of like saved me so much time and helped me just, you know, um, put my idea in writing. All I needed to do was just visualize, right? So I went ahead to paste it into a document, the area, obviously you have to like cut down and use the one that you really need, okay? So I went ahead to actually use Canva to create my mind map. A mind map is like an actual canvas where you put all your ideas together. Now, ChatGPT has been able to create the um, concept, the entire concept of the collection. And what I need to do right now with my mind map is connect the dots. I'm just connecting everything that goes together in with the information that ChatGPT has given to me. So in terms of theme and concept, for example, what theme and concept am I working with? So ChatGPT can give you like a variety of information, but when you structure your mind map well enough, it kind of like gives you very accurate and precise information with what you're working with. So you don't have to, be confused, So yeah, I got a template from Canva and it's perfect for what I need because it's just straight to the point, kind of like highlights every single aspect of my collection and then every single sub aspect as well. So yeah, basically. So for the theme and concept, I went ahead to agree that it's like a fusion of traditional and African. Yeah, it went ahead to show me the color palettes, a fusion of African traditional aesthetics, earthy, warm toned is what I'm dealing with. For the silhouette and design elements, there are a couple of them. For style influences, there are also a couple of them that I listed up that will help in in bringing the entire collection together. For lifestyle and mood imagery, we have that as well. um so yeah, it kind of like puts everything into perspective. So when I'm creating the actual mood board, all I need to do is just bring the images together. So this is what my mind map looks like. I went back to Canva. Canva is one tool. Canva and ChatGPT is like one tool that really, I mean, you can create your mood board with anything. You can use Adobe Illustrator, you can use different tools. But for me, I went ahead to create a template that it was just a blank canvas or a blank sheet, and I already went to Pinterest to download all the images that resonated with my mind map. So when you're done with your mind map, make sure to go to either Pinterest or whatever platform to get all the images that have listed in your mind map. Get them, put them together, all the tools, all the accessories, everything. So I went ahead to upload them to Canva, and those are the images I'm going to be working with. When I'm creating my mood board, guys, I do not like to use too many images, okay? I do not like to use like too many fashion or runway images or images of humans. No, I like to use actual inspiration images. I'm talking um anything that represents my design, everything that inspires it. I'm talking, it can be anything natural, even artificial. It can be a mood, it can be an emotion, it can be a texture, it can be an accessory, anything else but actual clothes, because I'm making this into a fashion collection. So I am inspired by so many things that I see on a daily basis. You can be inspired by anything really. Like you can literally be inspired by the let's say like the structure of how your grandma's house was built, or your grandma's favorite color, or like that one sewing machine that your grandma has. I don't know what I keep. Maybe I'm that close to my grandma, guys. But you can literally be inspired by anything. You can be inspired by your experience at the beach, or a bird that you saw fly by, or even a view from your window, literally. So yes, I went ahead to put all um, the pieces that I brought together. Mind you, all of these images were inspired by my concepts and my mind mapping process. Okay, so I was able to pick out my colors. They're warm earth tones. You can see the girl with the eye right there. She is kind of like a contemporary but still cultural girl. She loves fashion. She's African, but she likes to infuse, futuristic elements here and there into her, her style. She kind of like brings out the personality of the present fashionista girly who is in her present but is looking to incorporate. She kind of like imagines what the future looks like, and she's looking to incorporate it into her designs. So looking at this design, guys, looking at this mood board, you can see that it kind of like highlights. Tell me what you guys think, but I feel like it kind of like highlights the personality of the person that will embody this collection. She is beautiful, she is black, she loves her African heritage, probably from African descent. She loves fashion, very fashionable. She is, yeah, kind of like unpredictable, because you cannot predict the future. Yeah, but she has kind of like thought about what future designs will look like, and she's looking to incorporate it into her style as well. Looking at the colors, there are a few of like warm earth tone colors, which shows that the future definitely can be colorful. But then you see a bit of gold, silver, bronze here and there, just to show how futuristic her mind is, right? Also looking at the silhouette of this design, a bit of runches here and there, pleats, flares, put togethers, the accessories also kind of like scream the future. If you look very well, you see a bit of element here and there that kind of like are futuristic, but also you can find them in the present, just a mix of both. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. You subscribing actually helps this channel, and let me know what you guys want to see. I hope this video helps you, and I'm going to see you in my next one.